Hello folks. I did do some major review of my video yesterday. I think I waited as long as possible, but I don't think I put it out till 10 p.m. I laid on my bed and talked on the phone to my best friend instead of putting it out because I'm like, I don't want to put it out there. But you know, it's not a failure. And it is an eye-opener on some things that I need to work on. And this morning, I spent some time with my meditation that I love, that really has me focus on events that I want to see happen, things that I want to occur, the way you feel about those things, and then it has you hold on to those feelings and express gratitude for them. And God, it feels so wonderful to go through that emotion and that thought process and thinking about what I really want to create with responsible day trading and the type of people that I can help and you know, myself included, and the people that I meet, that we bounce things off of each other, and I learn so much every day about myself and others in the market, and I have a lot of gratitude for being able to be here because there's a lot of driving forces that helped me to get where I am today, and I definitely did not do it on my own. With that babble-blab being said, I have done a lot of watching on and off of the market this morning. I edited some videos, I did some homework for some students, I answered some emails. A lot of the watching this morning was, okay, I can see these things, I know what I'm looking for. Because, you know, even though it wasn't a big loss yesterday, it's still something that can, if you allow it, let yourself believe that that is where you should be in your mind and in your trading. And really what we have to do is rework, or what I have to do is rework that thought process to where it's like, you know what, it's what happened and that's what it is. And I sound like I'm trying to justify it a bunch, and I'm not. And so let's move on. Okay. So what we have seen today, now right about here, I was starting to see the reasons for the long trade. I obviously did not take it. I haven't taken anything this morning. We'll turn these on so we can see when we do take the first trade. I was looking right in here at the long potential, actually right about here at the long potential, and then walked away to make some lunch, do some things, and just really reset my mind. All this, I was in some meditations, okay, like for real. I used to feel silly saying that kind of thing, but man, it's a game changer. I'm looking at some things here that show us that we have a good potential for this to give us a pushback. Oh, hold on. We have not gone through the daily chart together yet. So let's hop on over there real quick. So look how this pulled down so hard and closed really close down here at the bottom. And the MACDs didn't do a lot of work to pull down. If you want to see some strength and momentum in the move, we're going to want to see this really pull down. I have to pull it down one more. Oh, there we go. Okay, perfect. I'm going to just take my first one out. There we go. To go ahead and take it out as it's starting to give a little bit of reversible. I think I'm looking at my other charts too to give me some indication that we might get a push back up here. Okay, I've had enough. More than enough. More than enough. Oops. Definitely could have held on to this one a little bit longer. Gave some great double bar reversals to exit. Just didn't like the area. I really have a strong feeling that this is going to give a good push back up, maybe to about right in this area, and then roll back down. But you know what I'm not going to do? Wait around to watch it happen. So let's put in 2 trades. They were 1.5, 2 contracts. It was 1.5 each plus 3.0. So let's actually do this. 1 trade plus 3.0. Done. Was a little skittish about yesterday. It's a good possibility. It was super slow. I mean, I think I'd rather watch somebody churn butter. I would rather watch water boil. I would rather watch a turtle race. Although turtles can move pretty quickly. A snail race, okay? So during that, I had my 8-pound ball here. I was doing a little bit of this, get things moving. What I'm not doing is a lot of clickety click 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 with this. Anyways, so we're gonna wrap this up. I'm done. I'm not tired. I have some things I want to work on. Looking at those MACDs from another perspective, I may add some information about that. I've realized that some of my students are struggling with one of the videos I created to go over things, and I realized that I may not have put the information across properly, and I need to go recreate that. I have a lot of stuff that I want to put on the agenda, but, you know, I think I'm going to get this out, finish up a few steps that I got to do, and I may hit the pool with the kids. It's 2:30, so I might go now and take care of this later. That's it. I got nothing else. We're going to call it a day. Hope everybody has a fabulous Thursday, and look forward to catching you on the profitable side.